As a mom, I'm always thinking about interesting ways to present food to my family. Let's make this savory snack highly nutritious, easy to prepare, and absolutely delicious. To a blender, add cooked chickpeas, add eggs. I will be adding the eggs gradually. Olive oil, curry powder, garlic powder, paprika powder, and salt. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Blend a bit and add the rest of the eggs, and then blend until completely smooth. Once the batter is ready, transfer into a piping bag, or if you don't have a piping bag, a Ziploc bag, and make strips like so. Finish with sesame seeds and bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for around 25 to 30 minutes, or until an inserted toothpick in the middle comes out dry. Allow to cool and enjoy as it is or with any sauce of your choice. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. And until next time, remain blessed.